might have to walk this a little bit just to check this out here. Yeah, it's steep. It's not so much just the steepness though, that I could deal with. It's the figuring out exactly which path is the best. So you shoot
looks
up.
like left.
Now, right. Left you could, if you could get over there. You got to bounce all through here though first. But right, if you come right up here, you actually got a pretty straight shot. Just come right up. Look, you can see where it's loose. Take a right, straight up that. Yep. And then see what I'm saying? It's kind of like a little valley there. Yep. Take a right. Here. All right, I'll get up by you. Hold on. Most of these obstacles, guys, I don't want to turn around and go back. I want to attempt them because most of them are really not that bad. This looks terrible from right here, but that's why I get out and I just walk it real quick because it's not worth just... I probably would have tried to go left in all seriousness until I walked up there and saw that. But then I don't want to try to, in the middle of this hill climb, I don't want to make a sudden last minute decision and take a right or a left halfway through the hill climb where you may not have enough like traction and or control, and then you're gonna go down. So that's why something like this, I'll walk it real quick. I got it. It's just my suspension that's killing me, to be completely honest with you. Yeah, it's horrible. If it was stiffer, I mean, geez, just at least the rebound. If the rebound didn't pop up, would have been all right.
Oh, there's a stomper head. Ooh. Yep, I'm on it right now. I made it over so you can do it.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Woo! This trail just keeps going. This is a brutal section. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is definitely two-stroke land right here. Nice lightweight two-stroke land. Oh, made it right. I made it to the top, man. It's all right. It stalled on me. That's my fault. That never gets old, picking that thing up.
Good thing for 140s.
And you don't fall. It's amazing. You know what? I need a breather.
That sounds good.
But it's this suspension, man. You come down and if it starts bouncing, it's a pogo stick. Guys, I don't know how many times this comes up and smacks me right in the groin, and it sucks. This is the beginning of these videos, this little video series of us coming out here. That's what this bike is made for, not this.
No,
But you can do it.
This is goat life.
This is, yeah, these are goat trails.
Goat trails are us.
Yep, but it can do it.
Yes.
It can do it. It's just a matter of if you want to make it do it. Oh, our two friends are up here. Yeah, they're up here. Yeah. What's up, friends? Yeah, the right looks pretty good. see what he's saying now. Yeah, this part sucks. Sorry, clutch. Oh, hey babe, I need a new brake lever.
Damn it. Stuck in that one rut, but it's okay.
I'll take a brake. I'll take a brake lever damage. That's okay. Oh, this is a cross trail, huh? I don't think we're allowed on that trail though. That's a horse trail. Yep, this is the way we gotta go. It's a, yeah, that cross trail is for horses. Yes. Oh, good. We have more mountain to go up. Oh, it's not so bad. Oh, that was cool. That was actually a really cool little section. This is some pretty much true single track here. Yeah, this is awesome. Well, maybe they say, oh, you deserve a cool down after what you just went through. Mount Misery, yeah. That's what it is. That's literally what it's called, everybody. We're staying at Mount Misery Campground, and that's literally what this mountain is called. The initial loop around this campground is about 60 miles, but there's definitely like 100 miles worth of trails here, all depending on which way you go, going out into like Rhode Island and stuff. Hey, good job, honestly. You actually didn't fall. I did once. You never fell that whole time.
I know, that was awesome.
You never fell that whole time. That's awesome.
Yeah, that was fun actually. I mean, it definitely was challenging, but it was good.
Yeah.
It was a good challenge.
Like I said, guys, my questions and answers, what she can go through now is crazy. Like, I never thought I'd see her going through that. Like, that's a good intensity
little goat trail.
That's a good intensity trail right there.
Not that I did it intensely, but
no, but it doesn't matter. Like, that's still a very hard trail to navigate through. It is, for sure.
That was awesome.
This is a really cool trail so far. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, this is like literally we're just coming down the side of some trail here. Pretty cool, actually. Awkward though, because I feel like, why is this forest so like deforest? Maybe it was a fire. I don't know. I don't really know how these things work. Ooh, she got ahead of me there. Yeah, I guess so. I'm okay with this. It's kind of cool. Got it. Oh, I see what you're saying. I did not do that. I went... Nah, I just went straight up it, but I had a little bit more speed. Yeah, because I think if you had... Yeah, I do have some more ground clearance than you. Not much, though. This thing's a fat pig. Do you want me to go up it first? No, stay where you're at. Stand up and stay in the throttle. Don't use clutch. You gotta keep, because once your back tire tries to spin out, you gotta keep going. So you want to kind of momentum yourself up. You're good. You got it. Go. Stand. Go. Well, you also went in the worst spot of it, but that's okay. You got it. Yeah. It's either that or the rock face. You choose. You got it. You're good. Yeah, but you did that no problem. Well, you know what I mean? You did that no problem. You're good. You got it. You underestimate yourself a lot. All right, guys, we just stopped in the middle of the trail. Just checking the GPS and stuff. Talking about the ride. Getting some water. Yeah, your GoPro died. So we just pulled over to the side of the trail. Put a new battery in it. I have a battery bank on mine, but I'll tell you right now, we were just talking about it. Like, GoPros are literally the best cameras you could have. Like, obviously, there's other brands out there. I don't necessarily trust any of the other brands either. I mean, what you put these little devices through, I mean, I get why they malfunction a lot, but I mean, mine keeps, like, it just told me, I really don't know how much footage I got here now. Kind of has me worried because it literally was just running a file repair process. I've never seen that pop up on my GoPro before. Hopefully nothing's corrupted. You guys will definitely know if something's corrupted because we probably would have been talking about it by now already, but depending on how the video is cut up. But yeah, it's just a process. Then I take it off my helmet because I wanted to, like, you know, turn it off and turn it back on again. And then I go to turn it back on and it doesn't want to turn on. So I have to take it back off the helmet again. It's a process. Any of you guys out there, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you record your videos, you gotta love it, I guess. Hard right? Okay. It looks like someone just put all new arrows in because this is very well marked, to be honest. I mean, you can't really say you didn't see the arrow. These trails are a lot of fun though, guys. I gotta say, I will be back up. I will be riding these trails one more time. Absolutely, at least one more time. I'll come back up here and camp. We did make it to the end. I knew we would. After what you just went through, I knew what you would go through. Yeah, it was kind of fast once we started going again. It says left, but I'm pretty sure we can go right here. This is just a trail road. Yeah, we could just hook a right and head back. That's what's really nice is, like, so if you want to cut out real early, let's say something happened, you have a flat or something, you could easily take your truck all the way over here, pick it up, or you could just take this nice mellow ride back. I mean, I'm really enjoying what this place has to offer. We have not touched all the trails yet. There's plenty of more trails we can go ride. So I'll definitely be coming back and exploring a little bit more, 100%. But guys, I'm gonna cruise back to the campground and I'll check back in with you in a minute. So we are back at the campsite. Absolutely great day of riding. Somehow the camera stopped rolling on you guys there. But yeah, guys, so that's going to wrap up for right now. We are going to hang out. I'll probably insert some footage of the fire and us just hanging out just as a relaxation moment at the end of the day here. But we're definitely going to grill up some more food, hang out, relax, get some good hydrating beverages into us. And then that's it. Probably call it a night. But so far, so good. I really love this place. Once again, Pachaug State Forest, however you want to pronounce it, tomato. And up here in Voluntown, Connecticut. We barely scratched the surface over there of all the trails. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna leave it with some nice footage here at the end, and we'll catch you guys again soon. See you later.